If you don't mind, may I ask you what's your favorite place to visit or you like to go?
Yeah, sure. First of all, I would like to go Portugal because it's my favorite country.
Portugal.
Yeah,
Okay,
because
that's a beautiful country
yeah,
I've
yeah.
heard of.
First of all, the reason behind this, I'm a great fan of Cristiano Ronaldo, and he lives there. I
You
have
want to meet him?
yeah, yeah. I would like to meet him before
Okay.
his retirement.
Yes.
So it's my first dream to meet him, and at least I have a picture with him. So
Okay.
I would like to go there and also to visit his museum.
So do you have any favorite place inside this country?
Favorably, I would say Cox's Bazar.
Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar
Yeah,
before?
I've gone there one time.
What's the most beautiful place in Cox's Bazar you like?
The full Cox's Bazar was so beautiful because it was my first time to go somewhere for a vacation with my family. So I liked the whole place.
So right now, currently, what do you do in your day-to-day life or maybe your daily routine? Can you share it with me?
Surely. First of all, I wake up early late because my college hasn't started yet. So I often get up late and like at 8 o'clock, then I take my shower and after that make myself prepared for my coaching Rahats. And then returning home, I take my lunch and say my Johar prayer. After that, I take a little nap and then I wake up and go to my coaching like physics, chemistry, like other subjects coaching.
So you're from science major,
Yeah,
I guess.
yeah, I'm from science. So I have to go to the coaching and I have to pass a lot of time in the coaching. After returning, I have to return in the evening and then I have to do my home tasks.
Okay.
And I sleep like 10 or 11 o'clock.
Okay. So what you like to do in your free time, or may I ask what your hobby is?
To say specifically, I play video games a lot because
What kind of video games you play, of mobile or computer games?
mobile games because most of my friends play Free Fire video
Free
game,
Fire.
and so they encourage me to play that. When they calls me, I have to play, and so I'm playing video games in my free time.
I've heard that Free Fire is a huge has a huge
Yes, yes.
popularity in Bangladesh,
Yes,
and it's a battle royale game, I guess.
yes,
You
it's a
enjoy
better
it,
one.
right?
But not always I do it. Sometimes I also read books, and most of the time I can say that I go outside and play football with my friends.
So, what's your favorite sport to play? Football.
Football, surely football.
Any other players? Is there any other sports you play?
Yes, I can. I am little bit perfect in playing badminton.
Okay.
In
Do you want to ask anything from me?
Surely, I would like to ask your daily routine.
So basically, I'm just like you. I'm not an early riser, and I woke up around 10 or 11-ish. But after joining into the residential of Rahat's English Care, I must need to get up early in the morning, and after that I want to I go into the self-study session, and it's like 2.5 hours, and after that I come to the Mukta Bangla shopping complex. And on the 6th floor, there's our Rahat's English Care coaching going on. And after that, the class ends at like 1 a.m. And after that, I come back to the residential again and take my shower. And after taking my shower, I take my breakfast from maybe sometime from the Rahat's canteen, Rahat's English Care's canteen, and maybe from outside. And after that, I came back to the residential. I took some nap and do some study. And recently, I said that I'm not a university student yet. So I don't have a lot of study or peer pressure in myself going on. So after that, I study for like 2 to 3 hours, and then I don't have anything to do. And I scroll TikTok or maybe Instagram and so see some reels, funny videos, memes, that's it. And when the night comes by, I'm not a early to bed person. So I go to bed at around 1 or 2 a.m. in the night. So that's how my days ends.
I would also like to know how you have improved your English. Have you ever learned English?
No, I've never learned English before. I used to play a lot of computer games like Call of Duty. If you know about Call of Duty in the PC, there's not a lot of Bengali people playing it. Most of the players are foreigners, so the main way of communication was English for me. So after listening to them quite a little bit, I tried to like, there's an enemy, kill him, there's going to be some people. And I started little by little. And after that, I didn't have any grammatical problem, but I have a little inconvenience in speaking English. So that's why I've got myself admitted into the Rahat's English Care. And I'm hoping after, I have 1.5 months left. And after that much time, I'll become a fluent speaker, and I don't want to falter in speech when I'm trying to giving some advice to somebody.
Is there any dream for going outside?
Yes, I want to go outside for my higher studies, especially in Australia. I
Oh,
didn't, yeah,
you have mentioned it.
I not yet. I selected the varsity, but after some times I'm gonna think
Will
about
it
it.
depend on your IELTS band?
Yes, it's gonna majorly depend on my IELTS score.
Or are they going to give you free scholarship if you make a good score?
No, they don't give you scholarships out of your score. They give you scholarship from your TOLC exams, TOLC or
Oh,
PULC exams. If you manage to get a great number in it, they're gonna provide you a scholarship. And not every varsity has scholarship. You have to choose specifically for the varsity that has scholarships in it. Let's just end it for. See you somewhere
nice to
else,
meet you.
and nice to meet you.